Even though we're all used to seeing color images in Photoshop, in truth, Photoshop is a grayscale image editor, which means it takes channel information to give us our composite with color. If I go to my channels panel, and I'll tear it off just so we can focus on this guy, we see that we have, because I'm in RGB mode, the composite, which contains RGB, red, green, and blue, and individual layers or channels that contain those pixels that make up this composite. I'll go ahead and turn them on one at a time. Let's start off with red. This particular layer in channels represent the red pixels in the image. I'll turn that one off and turn on green. These pixels are going to be the ones that are green in our composite. And the ones down here are the blue pixels. So once Photoshop combines these values, we wind up with our composite, RGB. If I change the mode to CMYK, we now see that we're no longer working in the RGB color space. We're now working in something that professional printers use. When you take your magazine cover to the printer, they put it into separate plates, and as the magazine pages pass by, each pass of color, one of these colors goes on at a time, and then that page goes through again, the next color is applied, and so on and so forth until we have our finished cover. So what happens is the printer is going to make plates. So he has a cyan plate, so your cover goes through like this, then it goes through again, and now the magenta is added, and then it adds the yellow, and then it adds the black. Notice how this comes together now. It combines to make millions of colors just by using these 4 combinations of pixels. So once again, channels are simply a way to look at your final image, whether you're in RGB mode or whether you're in CMYK mode, to see exactly which layers or channels are going to make up the final composite.